Let's create our social media links inside of our footer. First, let's create our footer with one div. Okay, inside of the div, let's create another div where we're gonna place all our image links. Now let's create the first link. Let's define href attribute. It's gonna be image link, so inside of our link, let's create image HTML element. And let's define src and alt HTML attributes. Okay, first one will be for our Facebook page. So inside of our images folder that we have on our desktop, I have prepared our Facebook logo that we will use. So I will copy this one and I will paste it inside of our images folder in website. So now we have logo and our Facebook logo. So like we set our logo here, we can do the same for our Facebook logo. Now instead of logo.png, we need to use FB, that is also PNG image. Okay, like alternative text, let's set FB not loaded. For href, you can set your Facebook address, but for this lesson, we'll leave this as blank. Okay, so let's save our changes now. If we refresh our web page, here it is. This is our Facebook link, but it should be inside the footer. That should be on the bottom of our screen. So how we can do that? Inside of our styles file, we have footer class that will create our footer that will be positioned on the bottom of our screen. We'll create some background color for our footer, also color for our text, and content will be centered. So let's copy our footer class, and for our footer div, let's create class HTML attribute. Let's paste our class that we have copied here. Okay, and let's save our changes now. So now when we refresh our web page, we have a footer that is in purple color. Okay, and we have our Facebook logo that is quite too big, so let's use height HTML attribute to resize it. Like a size value, let's set 50 pixels. So now when we refresh our web page, here it is. This is our Facebook logo, now in appropriate size. And this is our link for our Facebook page. Now let's create two more, one for Instagram and one for Twitter page. Like we use our Facebook logo, I already prepared our Instagram logo, so I will copy it from here and paste it here inside of our images folder. And let's do the same for our Twitter logo. Let's paste it here. Okay, so I will use our Instagram and Twitter logo. I can copy complete link because the concept is totally same. And let's paste it 2 more times here. Okay, so first one will be for our Instagram page. So let's replace FB with IG. It's also PNG image. Also, we can change our alternative text to IG not loaded. Okay, and let's replace FB with TW for our Twitter page. Okay, so now when we save our changes and refresh our web page, we have our social media links for our Facebook, Instagram, and the Twitter page. As I said, you can set your links for href for your social media pages.